Welcome to a video by Abron Export. This is a vacuum desiccator. This one is a stopcock where it comes to you. You have to this is a silicone. You have to press it. This is for holding your tube, and this one releases the air in case. This is a three-way stopcock. It has three openings. Here we have the opening. So the one is on the front side. Another is having this side connecting this section to this section, and third one is a opening from the other side. Here we can allow some gas to get into. Silicone gasket is provided, and also we have provided the plate, which is a plate which is to be put inside. See, this is to be put here. You have to keep it here inside. Below this you can put the desiccants. Desiccants means you can put the absorbers. Similarly, if we have another, this one is a 12 inches desiccator, and we have got another one which is about 8 inches. This one is a 8 inches desiccator, similar with the similar system. Here we have the tube. This is for putting your sample. Below, samples is to be put on the top, and here we can put the desiccator. You can use the way you want, and here also it is the similar one. The gasket, silicone gasket is provided. Once it is vacuum, then this will seal automatically very close. And we have got the 20 mm, 15 centimeter, 200 mm, 250 mm, 300 mm. All these sizes are available. Please visit the website, share the videos, like the videos, and subscribe to the channel. This is our email, abron01@gmail.com. WhatsApp number is 9416020018. Website is abronexports.com. And visit the videos, like the videos, share the videos, subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much.